Blum Airdrop Countdown. Don't miss your chance to ride the crypto wave. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what it feels like to catch the next big wave in the crypto world? Well, wonder no more because Blum is about to make a splash that's set to rock your wallet. Blum's airdrop is right around the corner, and this is one ride you don't want to miss. Let's dive in and break down how you can get the most out of this golden opportunity. Blum has been building up the hype, and now they've finally revealed their roadmap. Buckle up, because the launch date is just about here. But before we hit that sweet spot, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can maximize your airdrop gains. First things first, if you haven't jumped on the Blum train yet, what are you waiting for? They're running a frenzy campaign with rewards up to $2,000 USDT just for inviting your friends. Yes, you heard that right. Not only do you get to play their addictive bot game, but you could also be stacking some serious cash. Now let's talk about that shiny new roadmap Blum has dropped. They've been busy behind the scenes, launching their bot, handing out invites, and hooking us all on their point system. Remember the whole hack scare? That was just Blum flexing their marketing muscles. Sneaky, right? Here's where it gets super exciting. In 2024, Blum is not just playing around. They're set to launch tribes, roll out a meme pad, and introduce swaps, wallets, and even perpetual trading contracts. Blum isn't just building a project, they're crafting an entire ecosystem. But hold on, there's a little twist. Blum recently did a technical upgrade, which might have temporarily disconnected your wallet. Don't worry, I'll walk you through reconnecting it so you don't miss out on any precious points. Speaking of points, have you seen the leaderboard? Players are racking up tens of thousands of points in anticipation of the Blum token drop. If you're new to this game, don't fret. Blum is running a weekly competition where you can win up to $2,000 USDT just by inviting friends. The rankings are live in the Blum crypto chat, so make sure you're in there mixing it up. Here's your game plan to make the most of Blum's airdrop. First, if you're not already on Blum, use my referral link to get started. Next, join a tribe to supercharge your point farming and ensure you reconnect your wallet if you haven't already. Start inviting friends to climb the leaderboards and maximize your rewards. Keep an eye out for the meme pad launch. Blum isn't just another airdrop. It's your ticket to the future of crypto gaming and finance. Get in now and let's ride this wave to the top together. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.